Good morning, class third, and welcome you all in science class. How are you all? You must be fit and fine at your place. So, where do you all live? In a house? Yes? Okay. So, what makes a house? A house is a place where we stay with our family. Okay. But why do we need a house? We need a house because a house protects us from different weather conditions such as hot, cold, wind and rain. A house also keeps us and our belongings safe from wild animals and thieves. Alright? And it is our today's topic, houses and clothing. Now, children, tell me, when you visit your friends, relatives, and neighbors, do you find that they have the same type of house as you have? No. People live in different houses, and houses can be of different shape, size, and can also be made up of different types of materials. So, what are the different type of houses we see all around? We see many types of houses such as kacha house, pakka house, special houses and temporary houses, right? So, what are kacha houses? Houses that are made up of mud, straw, wood, hay and of dry leaves. A hut is an example of a kacha house. These houses are found in villages. They are not very strong. They fall down easily when a strong thunder hits the village. So, do we live in a kacha house or pakka house? We live in a pakka house. So, what is a pakka house? A pakka house is made up of brick, cement, stone, steel, and iron rods. The windows and doors are generally made up of wood and glass. These houses are very strong and they are found in towns and cities. As these houses are very strong, it can have many floors. Big cities have big buildings and they are called apartments. There are many houses or flats in a single building. We also see multi-story building in cities. Now we will see the special houses. So what are special houses? Special houses are those houses which built according to their climatic conditions of a particular place. So on hilly areas we found houses with the sloping roof. Why? Because these area receives heavy snowfall and sloping roofs help the snow to fall down easily. Now, stilt houses. Where do we find stilt houses? Stilt houses are found in the region with heavy rainfall and frequent floods. These houses stand on the woods over the surface of the soil that protect the house from rainwater or flood to get into the house. These houses also have sloping roof that allow the rainwater to fall down easily. Houses with extreme cold conditions. What are they? Igloos. Igloos are built on such places where a lot of snow covers the land for a long period of time. It is made up of blocks of the hard snow. These houses are found in the Arctic region. It is usually of dome shaped. People who live inside these houses are called Eskimos. So class, we have discussed about kacha house, pakka house and special houses. Now we shall talk about the temporary houses. So, what are temporary houses? Some people keep moving from one place to another in search of food, job, and of extreme climatic conditions. These people are called nomads. They don't have permanent house to live, so they make temporary houses that can be moved from one place to another. Nomads live in a caravan. So what is a caravan? A caravan is a house on wheels. There is one more temporary house. Instead of moving on the road, it moves into the water. So what is it? Yes, I am talking about a houseboat. As the name shows, a houseboat is a house built on a boat. In India, houseboats are generally found in Kashmir and Kerala. Tourists love to stay in these unique boat houses. And now there is another kind of lightweight and easy to carry temporary house. So, can you guess what I am talking about? Yes, I'm talking about tent. A tent is a lightweight temporary house as it is made up of canvas or nylon fabric. This can be fixed to the ground anywhere. These tents are usually carried by the climbers. Mountain climbers. So, class, a house can be a big or small, kacha or pakka. But the important thing is it gives us shelter and safety. Now, how does a good house looks like? A good house should have windows and a good ventilation system that allows the sunlight and fresh air to enter. It should also has a proper drainage system to carry dirty water away from the house. A house has a wire on the windows to keep away the mosquitoes and houseflies. We shouldn't allow the garbage to pile up around the house. These are the qualities of a good house. But children, how can we contribute to keep our house neat and clean? By doing the little things around us. Like if you see your toys, paper books, or clothes scattered everywhere and spread here and there, you can arrange them at their proper place. Many of you have habit that when you reach your home after the school, you throw your bags and shoes here and there, water bottle in the some other corner. This is a very bad habit. Your belongings should not be left around the house. You should place them at their proper place. That makes our house a good house. Now we will talk about the clothing. Why do we need a cloth? We need a cloth to protect our body from sun, cold, rain, and wind. Clothes makes us look smart. We wear different types of clothes on different occasions and of different seasons. Like in summers we wear cotton clothes and in winter we wear warm clothes. Clothes are made up of fibers. So what is a fiber? A fiber is a thin thread of a natural or synthetic substance. Remember, we did in class 2nd also. So there are two types of fibers, natural fibers and man-made fibers. Natural fibers are those fibers which are obtained from the natural sources like plants and animals. And we get cotton, silk and wool from the plants and animals. And man-made fibers are those fibers that are created by the man. It is also known as synthetic fiber. They are built into the factories. They are made into the factories. And man-made or synthetic fibers are rayon, nylon, polyester, etc. So that's all for now. Your worksheet is related to this topic, so do it carefully and learn happily. Thank you.